The world of cryptocurrency is fast-paced and constantly evolving. Two players in this dynamic arena are CoinSmart and BIT Markets. Today we're going to do some side-by-side comparisons to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk user interface. CoinSmart shines here, offering a friendly, intuitive interface that's perfect for those who are new to cryptocurrency trading. On the flip side, BIT Markets presents a bit more of a challenge. Its interface is less beginner-friendly, which may be a hurdle for those just starting out. Now let's move on to supported cryptocurrencies. CoinSmart supports an impressive roster of over 160 cryptocurrencies. That's not too shabby, but BIT Markets takes the cake here, supporting over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So if variety is your spice of life, BIT Markets might be the exchange for you. Next up, trading tools and features. CoinSmart provides basic trading tools, offering charts and indicators that can guide your trading decisions. BIT Markets, however, ups the ante with advanced trading tools like margin trading and stop-loss orders. If you're a seasoned trader looking for more sophisticated tools, BIT Markets might be your preferred playground. Finally, let's discuss deposit and withdrawal methods. CoinSmart accepts a variety of methods, including fiat currencies and credit cards. BIT Markets, however, is more limited, primarily supporting cryptocurrency methods. So if flexibility in this area matters to you, CoinSmart might be your pick. So, who's the winner here? It's a bit of a toss-up. BIT Markets comes out on top for seasoned traders who want a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools. However, its interface is less user-friendly, and its deposit and withdrawal methods are more limited. Links to both CoinSmart and BIT Markets are available in the video description. So, to sum it all up, if you're new to the game, CoinSmart's user-friendly interface and flexible deposit and withdrawal methods make it a strong contender. If you're a more experienced trader who values a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced tools, BIT Markets could be your match.